Peda,
Good
please.
evening, everyone. I am Anshri and she is my opponent. Her name is Soni. Today we are conducting a debate on traditional and Western culture. Which culture is better? So I am in the favor of traditional culture and she is in the favor of Western culture. So would you like to speak first?
Yes, I would like to speak first, and my first point is that Western dress look much beautiful than the traditional dresses. Like women wore suit, sari in older time, but now they wear modern dresses, and boys wore kurta pajama as like, but now they wear shirt, pants, t-shirts. So this is my first point.
But I think you are saying right, I agree with you, but in older time women wear suit, sari and also traditional dresses, they look more beautiful and better than now.
I think that you are saying little bit right.
But why I am saying little bit right? I am saying
I
absolutely
am
right.
saying that because of Western culture, we look equal in this time. Like a girl can, if a girl has wear shirt, so there is no problem. Anyone cannot interrupt her.
I know anyone because western clothes are comfortable, but I think traditional clothes are better than western clothes.
I think that I cannot understand your point. I want to make another point.
Okay, say.
I can make.
Yeah.
So my next point is that I will tell you about greeting. When we greet someone, we say hello and we handshake. So what do you want to say about it?
But I think you are saying in this time all people's handshake if they meet. But I think in older time and also many people's in this time they don't do handshake. They say namaste and you know if our fingertips press, so it is so this time we do exercise from our mind and this is a good thing for everyone. Or you know if we do namaste, so everyone knows we are so simple and innocent.
But I think that if you will do namaste to anyone, people will think that she is an uneducated person, she is a yokel. But I think that we should handshake. I can give you example. Like if you want to get a job and you went to a foreigner, and if he hold out him hand to in front of you, so and you are doing namaste, so he will think that you are a local.
First thing I want to say, if we do namaste, so this is a good thing because nothing can decide you are educated or not. And you are saying if we meet someone like foreigners, so they hold out their hand. But I think if we do namaste, they are not comfortable, so I will do, of course, their handshake with.
But I think that you are in Western.
No, I am not in Western because many times I have to understand people's according to not myself, according to themselves.
If I tell you that how much it is running, so the Western culture is running for a long time.
But yeah, say. But I think you are saying Western culture has been running in this time, and but you know our traditional culture also popular culture, and it has been running on for a long time,
But I
more
think
than Western culture.
But I think that people don't. I think that people forget traditional culture.
Because many times people forget traditional culture, but they don't
Because it is
forget.
old.
No, you don't know. You say your past speech. Old can hold diamonds, and this is the truth. If we can.
But it was for friends.
No, this is not only friend. This is only for everything. If we can hold gold, so we can hold our diamonds and everything.
Okay, I will. So finally,
I agree.
I agree with you, but I am not only forgetting. People are also forgetting this culture traditional.
Because they don't forget many times, you know, in this time people wear western clothes because of these clothes are comfortable. They don't forget our culture, you know. If it one thing I can you say, if we do fast, so why will we wear traditional?
Because they are loose clothes.
No.
And they will help to be comfortable.
So-
Feel comfortable.
Yeah, but I think traditional culture is more better than any culture. And this is a unique culture.
But as you are saying that many people wear western clothes.
Because every people's wear in this time, you are wearing in this time.
So that's why I'm saying that it is a culture. And if I tell you that who is following this culture, so from Italy to America and more many countries, and India is also following this culture.
Yeah, I know India is following also in this culture, but they don't forget. They don't forget traditional culture. They are also.
So how are they not? So how are they denied?
Because many people don't like traditional culture, so this reason they
So
deny
that's
it.
why.
So they everyone has their own choice, but where they, whatever they
So
wear.
it's their choice. So how can you say about traditional? It's their choice.
Yeah, I agree with you. Everyone has their own choice. It's depend on people who likes traditional and who likes western.
Okay. So do you want to ask something?
Yeah, I asked something. You know what is the most sacred word according to you?
I think that you should ask from audience.
Yeah, I want to ask everyone, but I am asking for you first.
God.
Okay, and anyone can tell me what is
God
the
of
most
Allah.
sacred word in this world?
Similarity.
Okay, according to you and anyone else? What is the most sacred word?
Mother.
Okay, but
पवित्र बेटा पवित्र
Krishna.
okay, right. But according to me, I think Om is the most sacred word in this world, because you know why I'm saying, because Om it consists of three words: A, O, or Ma. A means it is the narrator of Brahma, and O means it is the narrator of Vishnu, and last M Ma is the narrator of Rudra. So
Okay.
you know if in also our Vedas, and also if we chant any mantra, so firstly we don't chant any mantra. Firstly we chant Om.
I agree with you and I will remember this thing. Thank you.